Barret Firearms has long been a name synonymous with power, precision, and battlefield reliability in the US military arsenal. Since the introduction of the legendary M82 M107, a .50 caliber shoulder-fired anti-materiel fire that redefined long-range engagement, Barret has set the standard for what a modern military precision rifle should be. The Light 50's reputation for devastating firepower and unmatched durability has made it an icon among special operations units and conventional forces alike. Now, with the introduction of the Mark 22, also known as the MRAD, Barret is once again reshaping the future of precision shooting. Built with the same focus on battlefield effectiveness and forward-thinking design, the MRAD doesn't just aim to meet the evolving needs of today's sniper, it seeks to exceed them. As the Mark 22 is fielded across the US Army, Marine Corps, and Special Operations Command, it stands poised to carry forward the Barret legacy into a new era of modular, multi-caliber precision warfare. In a world where a single shot can shift the course of a mission, or a war, the sniper's rifle is more than just a weapon. It's a lifeline and a statement of dominance. Enter the Mark 22, the US military's latest precision sniper rifle, known officially as the Precision Sniper Rifle, or PSR, and commercially as the Barret MRAD. This isn't just another bolt-action rifle. It's a modular, multi-caliber system engineered to replace an entire generation of aging sniper platforms across the Army, Navy, Marines, and SOCOM. The Mark 22 Precision Sniper Rifle was developed to solve a growing problem within US military sniper units: fragmentation of platforms and limited adaptability across mission types. Prior to its adoption, snipers were required to carry multiple rifles depending on the range and environment of their assignment, one for mid-range engagements and yet another for extreme-range anti-personnel or anti-material use. This approach complicated logistics, training, and mission planning. With the increasing complexity of modern battlefields, from urban warfare and mountainous terrain to open desert engagements, the need for a modular, multi-caliber sniper platform became urgent. The US Special Operations Command, or SOCOM, initiated the Precision Sniper Rifle program with the goal of replacing multiple legacy rifles with a single adaptable system that could be configured in the field for different mission profiles. The Mark 22 Precision Sniper Rifle is a masterclass in modularity and battlefield adaptability. At its core is a caliber convertible system that allows snipers to rapidly switch between 7.62 by 51mm NATO, .300 Norma Magnum, and .338 Norma Magnum, offering unmatched mission flexibility without needing to change rifles. Its monolithic aluminum chassis is engineered for strength and stability, featuring a fully folding adjustable stock to suit a wide range of shooter ergonomics. Depending on the configuration, the Mark 22 weighs between 13.9 and 15.2 pounds and ranges in length from 42.4 inches to 49.4 inches, making it compact enough for transport, yet long enough to achieve extreme accuracy at extended ranges. The rifle also incorporates a full-length Picatinny rail and M-lock interfaces for mounting optics, laser designators, bipods, and other mission-critical accessories. Its match-grade, user-adjustable trigger enables precise control, while its compatibility with suppressors and integrated recoil management features help minimize shooter signature and fatigue. Every element of the Mark 22 has been designed to serve not just as a sniper rifle, but as a fully integrated precision weapon system built for the realities of 21st century warfare. The ergonomics of the Mark 22 are built with the sniper's endurance and effectiveness in mind, especially during prolonged missions in unforgiving environments. The rifle's folding stock isn't just for portability. It's engineered for comfort and control. With toolless adjustments for cheek height and length of pull, the stock allows for precise shooter alignment, ensuring consistency shot after shot. The pistol grip is contoured for a natural hold, reducing muscle strain during extended periods behind the rifle. Controls are thoughtfully positioned for intuitive operation, enabling the shooter to maintain eyes on target while cycling the bolt or adjusting safety. Recoil management is aided by the rifle's inline stock geometry, which directs force straight back into the shoulder, minimizing muzzle rise and speeding up follow-up shots. Every contour, surface, and interface on the Mark 22 feels purpose-built, not just for firing a single accurate shot, but for sustaining performance over hours or even days in the field. The Mark 22 is engineered for precision that borders on surgical. Designed to consistently deliver sub-MOA accuracy, the rifle thrives in the high-stakes world of military sniping, where a single shot must count, often at extreme distances. When chambered in .338 Norma Magnum, the Mark 22 can effectively engage targets beyond 1,640 yards, while the .300 Norma Magnum offers a flatter trajectory and reduced wind drift, making it ideal for precision engagements in challenging environmental conditions. The bolt-action system is smooth and deliberate, feeding rounds with reliable consistency, while the match-grade barrel, cold hammer forged for strength and longevity, maintains tight groupings even after thousands of rounds. The rifle's performance is further enhanced by compatibility with suppressors, reducing both muzzle flash and acoustic signature to preserve the shooter's concealment. Whether firing across a mountain valley or in support of special operations from a concealed urban perch, the Mark 22 delivers the kind of repeatable precision and dependable performance that snipers demand and commanders rely on. While the Mark 22 represents the future of modular precision and adaptable sniping, its roots trace back to Barrett's original game-changer, the M82 Light 50, a rifle that redefined battlefield engagement with raw power and long-range capability.
The Barret M82A1 has made its mark in pop culture, appearing in over 24 movies and video games. While undeniably impressive and highly effective in its role, the Barret M82A1 isn't technically a traditional sniper rifle. Conventionally, snipers are tasked with eliminating high-value enemy targets at extreme distances, a job that doesn't necessarily require a 50 caliber projectile. Smaller calibers like 6.5mm or 30 caliber rounds are more than capable of achieving the precision needed for such tasks. What sets the 50 BMG apart is its immense bullet mass, 5 times heavier than typical sniper rounds, which isn't essential for targeting personnel. However, the 50 BMG offers something unique: versatility. Its large size allows it to carry payloads like incendiary, armor-piercing, or explosive projectiles, making it highly effective for a variety of military applications. Originally developed for anti-tank and anti-aircraft roles, the 50 BMG's sheer power and adaptability provide soldiers with the ability to deliver significant effects on targets far beyond what smaller calibers can achieve. Ronnie Barrett, the guy who designed this gun, has a really cool story. Believe it or not, he was actually a photographer. In 1982, he was taking photos of a military patrol boat on Tennessee's Stones River, which was armed with 2 M2 50 caliber heavy machine gun mounts. Barrett was fascinated by these guns and wondered if a rifle could be designed to fire the 50 BMG bullets. With no firearms design experience or training, Barrett hand-drew a design for a 50 caliber rifle. Barret drew the rifle in 3 dimensions to show how it should function, and then took his design to local machinists. Nobody was interested in helping him, believing that if a .50 caliber rifle was useful, someone would have developed one by then. Barret finally found one sympathetic machinist, Bob Mitchell, and the two set to work. Less than 4 months later, they had a prototype rifle. Barret's first rifle, the Barret 50 BMG, was completed in 1982. The Barret 50 BMG was a shoulder-fired, semi-automatic rifle designed around the 50 BMG cartridge. Hence the name, Light 50. Unique among firearms, the Barret rifle's barrel recoiled backward after firing. A rotating lock breech block equipped with an accelerator arm used part of the recoil energy to push back the block on firing. This cycled the action, cocked the firing pin, and loaded a new round from a 10-round steel magazine. The result was a weapon that should generate sufficient recoil to make repeated firings uncomfortable. However, the use of recoil energy to cycle the action and the weight of the weapon reduced felt recoil. A double baffle muzzle brake that vented exhaust gases to the left and right was added later and further reduced recoil. The M82A1 has a 5,905 feet effective and 22,300 meters maximum range. It is fitted on a scope mount and folding backup iron sights should the glass scope break. The US military M82 rifles are often equipped with Leopold Mark IV telescopic sights. The M82A1M rifles have long Picatinny accessory rails mounted and US Optics telescopic sights. Every M82 rifle is equipped with a folding carrying handle and a folding bipod. This gun weighs 29.7 pounds empty and is 57 inches long. It can be fitted with a carrying sling, but according to those who carried it in the field, the M82 is too uncomfortable to be carried on a sling due to its excessive length and weight. So it is usually carried in a special carry soft or hard case. What's interesting is these guns were not purchased as sniper rifles. In fact, the two roles that these were purchased for are anti-material, which is being able to destroy light armored vehicles or radar installations, or other things that are fragile and delicate that you want to damage from a long distance away, and explosive ordnance disposal, since the kinetic energy from a .50 bullet enables the gun to effectively detonate IEDs and old artillery shells from a distance where it's actually safe. Despite its anti-materiel origins, the Barret M82 is also used as a long-range sniper rifle, as it can neutralize enemy snipers at standoff range. The rifle can be also used to hit enemy soldiers that are hiding behind cover and walls, as its powerful ammunition can penetrate through bricks and concrete. These make the M82 ideal for raids, special forces applications, harassment of enemy forces, and interdiction missions. The M82A1 is known by the US military as the SASR, Special Applications Scoped Rifle. In summer 2002, the M82 emerged from its Army trial phase and was approved for full material release, meaning it was officially adopted as the long-range sniper rifle caliber .50 M107.
This concludes our episode that provides a glimpse into the US military's Mark 22 and M107 sniper rifles. So what do you think about these weapons? What other pieces of military hardware would you like us to cover in our future episodes? Also, if you were lucky enough to see these weapons up close, or better yet, shoot one, please comment. Remember to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to stay updated with our latest content. And while you're here, why not check out another one of our exciting videos? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.